Hello, ladies and gentlemen. If you are in worry or in tense situation or being involved in anxiety, there is just a one place where you can get peace is around plants. Plants gives us lots of things. It gives us food, medicine, fuel, etc. Almost 19% of essential things for daily survival we get from plants. Just think for a moment, if there are no plants in the earth, how would it be like? Animals, insects, nature beauty, everything would have destroyed. Plant gives us everything what we need, but what we give them? Nothing. What is the reason for deforestation? Why forests are still being cutted? People cut forest for agriculture, but one of the biggest reason is industrialization. Some bad people cutting trees to sell wood and open industry to earn money. What is money? But they don't know money can't grow trees. Only a hard work and potential of a small farmer can do that. As well, there are still some who are working to stop deforestation. What we have to do, whoever is watching this video, just grow one plant to save earth, because once we lost it forever. Thanks.